15 Fascinating Facts About Animals. Welcome, animal enthusiasts! Today, we embark on a wild journey through the animal kingdom, uncovering 15 captivating facts about our furry, feathered, and scaly friends. Fact number 1. Did you know that an octopus has 3 hearts? 2 pump blood to the gills, while the third circulates it to the rest of the body. Octopuses live in dens made of rocks, and they're amazing builders. They use their powerful arms and the suckers, the suction cups on an octopus arm, to move rocks into place. And they can even build a rock door that pulls closed when the octopus is home. Should you knock before entering? It's best not to visit at all because they're pretty grumpy loners. Octopuses even scatter rocks and shells to hide their den. Should the octopus Oscar go to the mimic octopus? It imitates other sea creatures like jellyfish, sea snakes, and crabs to scare off predators. To look like a snake, for example, it hides in a hole and waves 2 arms about. Fact number 2. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. These vibrant birds certainly live up to their name. Flamingos really are what they eat. Many plants produce natural red, yellow, or orange pigments called carotenoids. Carotenoids give carrots their orange color or turn ripe tomatoes red. They are also found in the microscopic algae that brine shrimp eat. As a flamingo dines on algae and brine shrimp, its body metabolizes the pigments, turning its feathers pink. Fact number 3. The cheetah is the fastest land animal, capable of reaching speeds up to 80 to 130 kilometers per hour in short bursts. You all know that, right? These fierce felines hunt during the day to avoid competition from other powerful predators such as lions, hyenas, and leopards. And boy, they can hunt! First, they use their exceptional eyesight to scan their surroundings before quietly stalking their chosen prey. Then, when the time is right, they sprint from cover, knock down their victim and kill it with a bite to the throat. Fact number 4. The blue whale is the largest animal on Earth, with a tongue that can weigh as much as an elephant. The average weight for these gentle giants is 90,000 to 136,000 kilograms, or about 100 to 150 tons. Some can weigh as much as 200,000 kilograms or 220 tons. For comparison, an adult African bush elephant weighs up to 6 tons, so it may take 30 or more elephants to equal the weight of one blue whale. Fact number 5. A group of owls is called a parliament. These wise birds certainly know how to govern the night. Owls can rotate their necks 270 degrees. A blood pooling system collects blood to power their brains and eyes when neck movement cuts off circulation. Owls hunt other owls. Great horned owls are the top predator of the smaller barred owl. Fact number 6. Kangaroos cannot walk backward. Their powerful hind legs are built for hopping forward with remarkable agility. Humans and some other primates exhibit handedness, or the tendency to use one hand more naturally than the other. Scientists once thought this was a unique feature of primate evolution, but more recent research suggests handedness is also common in kangaroos. Based on research with red kangaroos, eastern greys, and red-necked wallabies, researchers have found the animals are primarily left-handed, using that hand for tasks such as grooming and eating about 95% of the time. Their hands also seem to be specialized for different types of work, with kangaroos typically using their left hand for precision and their right for strength. This challenges the idea that handedness is unique to primates, researchers say, noting it may be an adaptation to bipedalism. Fact number 7. Male seahorses are the ones who carry and give birth to their young. Seahorses aren't just different from other fish in their external appearance, either, they're also ridiculously poor swimmers. They are the slowest moving of all fish species because of an impeccably tiny fin in the middle of their backs being the only way to propel themselves. This one little fin can beat back and forth up to 50 times a second, but the size of the fin keeps it from making much progress when it comes down to distance traveled. Even with small pectoral fins that assist in steering, seahorses are sadly known to be so delicate that they can become fatally exhausted when waters get rough during storms. Fact number 8. The Arctic fox has a dense fur coat and furry paws, allowing it to withstand frigid temperatures as low as -50 degrees Celsius. An Arctic fox usually has different tricks up its sleeve when hunting. Lemmings are its favorite prey, but they live in a complex network of tunnel systems buried deep within the snow, protecting them from predators on the ground. So, Arctic foxes carefully listen for lemmings moving or burrowing underneath the snow to pinpoint their location by tilting their heads. Once the prey is located, an Arctic fox can jump several feet in the air and nose dive into the snow to catch its prey. Sometimes it takes more than a few tries, but it's the effort that counts. Fact number 9, a group of rhinoceroses is called a crash. These powerful herbivores certainly make an impact when they roam the savanna. Rhino horn is made up of keratin, the same protein which forms the basis of our hair and nails. Javan and greater one-horned rhinos only have one horn, whereas all the other rhino species have two horns. Their horns grow continuously during their lifetime. The white rhino's horn can grow 7 centimeters every year, and the record length is 150 centimeters long. Fact number 10, the axolotl, also known as the Mexican walking fish, is a type of salamander that can regenerate lost limbs and even parts of its brain. Axolotls are neotenic creatures, meaning they achieve sexual maturity without losing any of their larval features. So while many amphibians, like the salamander, will eventually develop lungs and live on land, axolotls keep their trademark feathery external gills and remain aquatic. This also means that their teeth never develop and that they must rely on a suction method to consume food. Sometimes, when eating, their mouths remain open for a few seconds after swallowing, which can make them look like they're smiling. Certain axolotls have slightly turned-up mouths that also give the impression that they're smiling all the time, but unfortunately for hopeful pet owners, that's not the case and just a matter of appearance. Fact number 11. A group of ferrets is called a business. These playful and curious mammals certainly know how to keep busy. Ferrets were domesticated about 2,500 years ago. Historically, ferrets were used to hunt rabbits and rodents. Their lean bodies and curious nature make ferrets naturals at getting down holes to chase rodents and rabbits out of burrows. This is the origin of the expression ferret out. From 1860 to the start of World War II, ferrets were widely used in the American West to protect grain stores from rodents. They gained popularity as pets in the 1980s and 90s. Fact number 12, the gerial, a type of crocodile found in India, has long, slender jaws filled with sharp teeth, specialized for catching fish. Gerials are one of the biggest species of crocodilian. Male gerials can reach up to 6 meters in length, though they typically reach around 4 meters long. Gerials might be incredibly protective parents, but they are not typically a danger to humans. Gerials are very shy and will typically hide from humans. Fact number 13. A lion's roar can be heard from up to 5 miles away, making it one of the loudest calls of any big cat. While lionesses do most of the hunting for the pride, it's the male lions who often get to eat first, enjoying the spoils of the hunt. Fact number 14. Cape buffaloes are considered one of the most dangerous animals in Africa, responsible for more human deaths on the continent than any other large mammal. Despite their reputation for aggression, Cape buffaloes are highly social animals and form strong bonds within their herds. They often display behaviors such as grooming each other and caring for injured members. We are almost there. Fact number 15. Despite being classified as carnivores, pandas have a diet that consists almost entirely of bamboo. They consume up to 12 to 38 kilograms of bamboo each day to meet their nutritional needs. Pandas have a specialized wrist bone called a pseudothumb, which is an extension of their wrist bone covered in a fleshy pad. This adaptation allows pandas to grip bamboo stalks with greater dexterity. And there you have it, folks. 15 fascinating facts about animals that showcase the incredible diversity and wonder of the natural world. Join us next time for more adventures in the animal kingdom. Consider to press the subscribe and like button for other interesting videos. Have a wonderful day.